This is the Ceptics World Away Travel Adapter Kit that was sent to me by the seller for evaluation and is available to you on Amazon. I want to give you a brief overview, some general information, and my first impressions about it, as well as tell you some of the things that I like about it. Maybe you'll like it as well. With me, anytime I buy anything online, it's the quality of construction and the quality of materials that I'm looking at. So what I like to do is go through, I want to make sure that there aren't any cracks in the casing, in the plastic. I want to make sure that all of the screws are in tight. I want to make sure that there aren't any problems with any of the connections, that everything's going to work properly, because I like for my things to last. Perhaps you do as well. And after a thorough inspection, this is ready to hit the road, or the plane, or the cruise ship. My family and I, we travel a lot, so I can see where this can come in handy. It's got two regular plugs for hair dryers, razors, all of those types of things, computers, laptops, phone chargers, whatever it is. In addition, it's got a USB-A charger and two USB-C chargers, so it makes it a lot easier to charge your phone and your device. Plus, it has a built-in USB-C cord for an additional charger. It has a Type A adapter for North America, South America, the Caribbean, and Japan. A Type B for the United States and for Canada. A Type C adapter, which fits most of Europe. A Type EF adapter, which fits France, Germany, and South Korea. A Type G for the UK, for Africa, for Ireland, for Singapore, and for Hong Kong. And Type I for Australia, New Zealand, and for China. Over 200 countries with these adapters. How does it work? It's really very simple. Okay, I've got the Type B adapter in here right now for the United States. There's a little button here at the top that you push that down and you're able to pop out the adapter. You find the adapter that you need, you push the button down, you put the adapter in place and click it, and you're ready to go. And it really is that simple to use. If you're a traveler like I am, and you're looking for a way that you can plug in your home items when you're in a different country, I highly recommend that you give Ceptics a look. It works for me. It's a keeper. We're taking it on the road. Maybe it'll work for you as well.